Running a Jupyter Notebook requires writing a lot of commands, but we can run Jupyter Notebooks in a single click. Just create a new text file and type this text. These lines activate the Miniconda script, and these lines changes the directory to the folder where your Jupyter Notebooks are present. So just go to the base folder where .ipynb checkpoints folder is present and copy the folder path from here. If there is space in any folder name, make sure it is included in double inverted commas. And in this line, the environment which is used for the project is activated. Replace this with the name of your environment. This line launches the Jupyter Notebook. The pause line in the script doesn't allow the command window to close, so that any input from the Jupyter Notebook can be seen here. Now save this file with a .bat extension. Now whenever you double click on this file, it will execute this script and launch your Jupyter Notebook. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel.